In this lesson, we're going to talk about circles, and we're not going to use circular reasoning, but it will be a well-rounded discussion. So, we have a circle. A circle is what's called a plane. Now, if we remember, we've talked about that. A plane is just a flat surface, and it goes on forever. But you have a circle here, which is a definite space, but it's a plane because it's flat. And in the middle, you have the point, which is in the middle of the circle. Now, we can call this one point A. The one common detail about circles is that all of the points that are on the outside of the circle, or that are on the circle rather, are the same distance away from the point in the middle. Now, we're going to measure the circle, or we're going to take a look at it. And we have these various points on the circle. Here's point A, which is the point in the middle. We have point B, C, D, and E. So, if we're going to measure the circle, or we're going to try to get an idea of how big the circle is, we take a line from point A to point B, and that gives us the radius of the circle. And you can put any value in there you want, or when you're working a geometry problem, they'll probably tell you the numbers they want you to use. But the measurement of point A to point B is called the radius. If we're going to go from point B to all the way to point D, this is called the diameter. And then there's one other feature of circles where you have what's called a chord. And that doesn't mean everyone's in agreement. It means that it's one line going from C to B, but it's only taking up a certain part of the circle. And you call this a chord. This is the diameter that goes all the way across, and the radius goes from the center to the outside. So those are the first ideas you need to learn to be able to start studying circles in geometry.